I am the culinary arts instructor and the practicum instructor at Cypress Falls High School. First of all, I get to be around food all the time, and who doesn't love food? Come on. But I love being able to really spend time with students, but also to show them different aspects of real life. Throughout the year, skills improve and increase, and we do what's called production on campus, where we collaborate with either organizations like sports or student groups, and we will create buffets or luncheons or dinners or even snacks. So they're actually in a large production and serving environment. The practicum students, that's a whole unique thing. And the students have an opportunity to either work in the cafeteria here on campus 2 hours a day, 4 days a week, and then 1 day with me, or they can have a job off campus where they work so many hours, but yet they still check in with me, and 1 day of the week they stay with me. So they're like teacher assistants. I heard from a little bird, which was my daughter, how great this district was. And the more I knew, the more I wanted to get here. And like that Texas saying, I wasn't from Texas, but I got here as fast as I could. I got here very, very quickly when I first found out how great CFISD was. When I was first named Teacher of the Year, I felt very proud. And that might sound like it's proud of me, but it's not. I'm proud of my students, where they've taken this particular program and grown it in the 8 years I've been here, because they have made it so people know about culinary. They don't just smell the smells coming out the door. We're out there now and people see us, and it's my kids that do it.